Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information as required. If you would like to import any list or transactions that are supported by QuickBooks Pro, Premier, or Enterprise, you can click on Start. On the next screen, we can click on Browse to select the file that you would like to import and click Open. On the left, there are multiple sheets in the same Excel file, and in this example, we will try to import the classes. So I'm going to choose Class here, and also in the QuickBooks transaction or list type, going to choose Class here as well and click Next. Now if you would like to go back to take a backup or make sure the rest of the users are logged out, or if you would like to go ahead and disconnect any other application that is connected with QuickBooks, you can do that and click OK. Now this is the file preview to show you what information was there in Excel and is ready to be imported, and we click Next. On the next screen, we can map or match the fields accordingly, either by clicking on Field Match, or we can match the fields manually one by one as well. If you would like to save the mappings for the future reference, you can do that, and also you can load map in future, or if you already have the mapping saved, you can click on Load Map and use that one and click Next. Now this is the final screen before the import, and we click Next. Now again, if you still want to go back to make any changes, you can click Cancel, or if you are ready to go, you can click OK, and your class list will be imported. Now it says the file has been successfully imported. And on the top, you can also see that you have successfully imported all the classes which were there. You can save the log, and also as soon as we click Done, that is it. If we go back and check the class list, all the classes are there now.